All right, guys, a quick video on how to swap out your salt chlorine generator by Pentair. As you can see, this is a Pentair IC40, so just check your model number on your old unit. This is my old unit, and the new unit's in there, and there's the box. So it's an IntelliChlor salt chlorine. It is so simple, it's just plug and play. As you can see, you've got your two spin-off collars. These are supposed to be hand tightened, so don't go crazy on those things. If they're giving you difficulty coming off, use a strap wrench or something like that. Create one if you need to. Once those are spun off, it does come with additional gaskets. I didn't bother swapping them out because mine were fine. Mine's about 6 years old, and my pool guy basically said it's burnt, and basically the lifespan of these is about that long. So I just decided to buy a new one. It's not cheap, it's to your door. But mine is, like I said, 6 years old, and it was completely submerged for hours under salt water. The water was another 3-4 feet higher than this unit itself. So even though it seemed to work after the storm, I just figured, hey, enough's enough. But Pentair says directly, I spoke to them, that these things can last a couple of years, as long as 10 to 14 years if properly maintained, and it's worth it because they're not cheap, as you know. Anyway, okay, spin the collars off. Literally just slip this one in, spin them down, hand tighten, and you can just trim or clip your wire ties and run your cord all the way up to your control box. You can see over there my control box. It literally just plugs into the bottom of the control box real simply. So it's that simple, plug and play. It's literally a 10-minute job. Go for it. You'll save yourself probably $400 or $500 minimum, as opposed to having a pool guy do it. And again, what's important is I still have a flashing light. I did have a different flashing light indicating it was bad. The pool guy checked it. Mine looked pretty clean inside, but like I said, 6 years plus being submerged under salt water for hours. Mine's still flashing a green light saying high salt, but that's apparently kind of normal until you get your chemistry on. Now Pentair, in the manual you'll see that you get with it, has this chemistry breakdown for you, this layout. You need to follow this. Just look in your manual. I made a picture of it, made a copy, and I sent it to my pool guy, and that's how you can maintain the warranty, is if you follow this chemistry on your pool. So make sure you tell your pool guy, or if you're doing it yourself, make sure you follow that chemistry, and that'll make your salt generator last a lot longer. I hope this helps. There'll be some links down below to where I got this thing, save you guys a lot of money hopefully, and good luck with that. I appreciate it. Any likes and subscribes. Take care.